This video shows how to install Yanhua R7F701406 thumb screw fastened interface board. R7F701406 consists of 2 interface boards and 2 sets of screws of varying lengths. 1. Find the interface board installation area on the instrument according to the visual positioning mark on the R7F701406 interface board. 2. Find the correct positioning holes of D1 to D4 on the instrument. 3. Align the interface board with the screw fastener holes and D1, D2 positioning points. 4. Clamp the interface board and instrument with your left hand. Tighten the copper pillar of the outer teeth with your right hand. Secure the interface board and instrument. 5. Align the R7F701406 interface board with the bolts and pin detection points. 6. Pressing the interface down with your left hand, tightening the copper pillar with your right hand. Installation finished. Yanhua ACDP interface board has the advantages of compact size, precise pin positioning, easy installation, pin connection is firm and stable, not easy to loosen, and safer data reading and writing. Thank you for watching.